Over 100 million Americans are issued tax refunds annually, leaving plenty of people with a little extra cash in their bank accounts each spring. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on a flashy watch or car that will quickly depreciate, use it wisely this year as part of a down payment on a new manufactured home. Whether you're a first-time home buyer looking to build familial wealth or a renter ready to finally own an appreciating asset, achieving homeownership with a factory-built construction has never been easier thanks to down payments as low as 3%, low interest rates, and 30-year terms. Prefab homes are also energy efficient, ensuring that your savings will only add up over time. Because when you do the math, investing in a manufactured or modular house is the logical choice. Let members of the Rocky Mountain Home Association help you find your home today.